Here I have another new product that I'm going to check out today. This is the RetroGlow Novelty Lights. There's becoming more and more options to get vintage type lighting on the market. And I'm in a lot of Christmas light groups. And in a lot of the groups that talk about True Tone, people are like, hey, you should check out the RetroGlow Lights by Novelty Lights. So I picked some up a little bit late in the season. So this is all they had left was C7. They have a modern classic, which is the teal, yellow, orange, purple, and pink. And then they just have the classic C7. So let's open these up and see what they look like. Just looking at them right now, they look like fairly normal, dark colored incandescent bulbs. These are LED, so that's kind of the point of these, that you're trying to find a LED bulb that looks like a vintage classic bulb. So we'll pull some of these out. They look pretty normal. I don't know if I have a True Tone bulb around here to kind of compare the size of it. But this is what they look like. This isn't really a comparison to the True Tone. This is to see how they look. So we've got the red, blue, green, white, orange, and red. I think that's the same color combination you get with the True Tone. Not exactly sure off the top of my head. Sometimes I can't remember if it's orange or yellow that comes in there. But they all look pretty good. So now let's look at the other box real quick, and then we'll come back and see what they look like when it gets dark outside, because that's really what you want to see. The red seems pretty dark on here, but everything else seems pretty normal. And I guess, to be honest, I don't have many incandescent little bulbs anymore, so I'm kind of comparing them to the True Tone, even though it's not what I'm going for. So this is the mod mix. Purple, pink. Ooh, those are cool. I like those purples and pinks. Those are nice. And then orange. There's some yellow. And teal is my favorite color. So I have teal on my house this year. So I really do want to see how the teal looks. These were about $26 a box. And then they have a 15% tariff fee right now. So who knows how long that'll be there. But these are LED lights. So just without turning them on, they do look pretty good. They look pretty normal, or like a classic light bulb. So those are the other pieces. So let's come back when it gets dark tonight. Okay, we are outside with the RetroGlow Novelty Lights. And so let's check them out and see how they look. I started with orange. We've got orange over here. Of course, it got cold out tonight, so I'm kind of shivering. And then we've got white, and we've got blue, and we've got green and red. I think they all look really good. There's pretty good light all the way through it. I don't know what the LED diodes on the inside look like, but there's not really much of a dark spot up on the top. They're all pretty well lit. I guess I never really checked. They're not plastic, so they are glass. So that's pretty cool. This is the classic colors of orange, white, blue, green, and red. It's a little bit lighter than the red over here. So then the white, blue, green. See how well it comes up on the camera. And then those are all of the colors. There you go. So here's the colors: orange, white, blue, green, and red. I think they all look pretty good. Kind of excited to see what this mod set looks like. So let's put those in real quick. Let me switch these out. We've got purple right here. We'll just put them in. We've got pink. So we'll see how different purple and pink look when they are in. There we go. We've got orange. And we have yellow. So here's the difference between the orange and the yellow. We'll see how those look. Yellow is a little bit brighter. And we have the green on the other end. Oh, the teal. That's the teal. Oh, I like that. That looks good. I like the teal. Interesting. So there's already some little scratches right here. So something to think about. They've got like little indents in them. So this is the mod mix. We've got purple, pink, orange, yellow, and teal. I like the teal. A little on the blue side, I would think. Well, let's put the blue behind it and see what it looks like. So there's teal and blue. Here's red. Behind the pink. Here's the yellow. We'll see if they look the same. The orange. Oranges look the same. We'll put the white over here. And we have, what's this, blue? That's the other green. See if we can see them all. There we go. So let's put, those are all the colors from the Novelty Lights setup. We've got teal, red, orange, orange. These look pretty good. Yellow, I'm getting cold. Blue, teal, and purple. Let's put the teal and the green next to each other real quick. Let's see how they look when they're near each other. Some of these have a little bit of scratches on them. So I don't feel like I've treated them very bad, but they definitely have scratches. So there's not a huge difference right there between green and teal. So there's green and teal. They almost look like the same. I mean, it's even hard to tell which one was the green and teal. So this is green and this is teal. So as you can see, they do kind of look fairly close. This is like a darker green almost is what it looks like. So anyways, these are all of the colors that Novelty Lights has in their vintage looking lineup, at least from these 2 boxes that I got. I don't think they had any more options. So now you've seen them all. Maybe I'll do a video where I compare these with the True Tone. But until next time, we will see you and have a good one.